All right, let's get a check on what's playing out in the crypto market now with some of the headlines. We see MasterCard, they announced they tokenized about 30% of their 2024 transactions as a multinational payment services giant. They're reporting tokenized transactions about 30% more in 2024. Also recognizing that stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies, they have the ability to disrupt traditional financial services. Then the official Trump Memecoin, that saw a 10% increase after Upbit, cryptocurrency exchange, announced it will be adding the presidential Memecoin to its platform. All right, let's talk to Olumide Adesina now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide.
Hello, Ladi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Olumide. So we're seeing the official Trump Memecoin. It's rising, this time. Do you think investors that bought at the top, are they going to be out of the woods soon?
I share skeptic pessimism around the meme space, Ladi, primarily because of the liquidity leak coming to the crypto market. You recall that when the Trump token was listed on Binance, it went as high as $72. And right as we speak, it's really floating below the $20 mark. So it pretty tells you that investors have lost more than 2/3 of their value in the span of 6 weeks. However, the reintroduction of Trump token in other exchanges will definitely prop up some excitement. But recent price action shows that the blockchain which Trump token strives on has broken below the $200 support level. I'm talking of Solana. And primarily, that's because investors are taking risk off the table. Recall that Trump's trade tariff destruction has really affected the crypto market despite input in Bitcoin inflows by Strategy, which now has 500,000 Bitcoin holdings. But that hasn't disrupted the bearish run we're presently seeing in the crypto market.
All right. Well, definitely, it's quite a yo-yo move we're seeing there with Bitcoin there today, but it's still struggling. It seems there's a big struggle to get back above the $100,000 level. But from what you've seen so far, is it safe to say this is the start of a bear market right now in the crypto market?
I'm not as optimistic as I was in November, December, primarily because recent U.S. inflation data shows an uptick. And, when you factor in these trade tariffs, definitely economists have already forecasted that inflation might be elevated. That will definitely put Fed, the interest rate cuts in the world's largest economy, the United States, off the table. So that will definitely have an effect. So I'm quite cautious, but, the Bitcoin strategy by the U.S. Senate is still in place, so that might give boost from. But as we speak, you could see that Bitcoin looks like it's going towards the 95,000 support line once again.
All right, so we're going into the weekend, and tomorrow's Valentine. Are you seeing red? That's with a theme, Valentine.
Yeah, we've seen red across major altcoins, but like the coins you mentioned earlier, Trump token, we're seeing PopCat Pengu being listed on Coinbase. That definitely increased buying pressure. Dynamics about the crypto market is that on long term, it's still a bullish run. Whether you look at Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, these coins have minted huge returns, but parabolically, 2025 has been a very tough year for the crypto market.
Yeah, even though it's still flirting around the previous high. So is it safe to say we might see a major drop soon that could be the catalyst for the next bull run?
I won't put that out of table. Recall that a few weeks ago we saw Ethereum dropping as low as 2,100. Bitcoin touching the 91,000 mark, but bounced immediately. While some people argue that liquidation, leverage buyers have been washed away, we could still see that we are not seeing that liquidity excitement, particularly in the altcoin market. But I'm bullish on Bitcoin on the long time frame, primarily because Goldman Sachs' latest filing shows that they've increased their exposure in Ethereum and Bitcoin. That probably tells you traditional finance is gradually coming to the space, and BlackRock's input with its spot ETFs tells you that Bitcoin definitely has a stay in traditional finance assets.
All right, we'll definitely keep watching. Still early days in 2025. Thank you so much, Olumide Adesina, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ali.